Hi, let's have a deep dive into INCIMAT product. Here is the login window. I am just giving an email ID and the password. So this is the home page of the INCIMAT product. You are seeing a couple of icons on the left side, headers, and the right side drop downs. So we will get into the details of each one of them. First, let's have a context set on this particular product. So there are set of key differentiators for this INCIMAT software. It can track and interact both living and non-living assets, devices, persons. It can be deployed over a web using single-click deployment procedure. It is available in all the three desktop, web, and mobile versions. The software has a capability to have an enablement of any GPS devices and hardware. So vehicle tracking system is inbuilt. There is a dynamic algorithm and engines of creation of geofences of any shapes, trips, and milestones. Even if you don't have GPS, not to worry, it can work without GPS. The role-based workflow and the queue framework is integrated into this. It has both server and client-based licensing. One of the key feature on this is I can do a immediate instant search on the data which I am looking for from a single window. The last is like mobile as a server. All the location-based services and ads and related stuffs can be integrated into this software. So I will just click here and it will give me a live information of all my moving assets, devices in the same single window. So you are seeing there are 4 window. So the first one is signal, second one is device, the third one is alert, and the fourth one which you are seeing there is a set off on the registration side on the device's live status. So let's get into the first window, the signal window. So here I can view all the information about my devices, what is the status. You can see a set of information which is coming below about all the devices. So I will pick up some devices and key on the search. So it will give me a list of all the devices. So I can pick up some of the information on these devices. So I will give an immediate instant search on the right side. I can type it out and automatically I will get a filtered information. So this is a GPS hardware device having an IMEI. So I will get all the information ranging from date and time reported to the server, the latitude, longitude, speed, angle, satellites, set of information on the right with respect to the movement sensors, ignitions, voltage values, fuel sensors, and typically the timestamp when the satellites is sending the signal to the server. Apart from this, addresses, altitude, and the port. Similar information. This is hardware. Now I will show you information on some of the mobile. Like we all use mobile, so there's information on the mobile. So I'm picking up one more device which act as a mobile. So for the mobile also on the similar screen I can get the location. For example, I can get this information of latitude, longitude, the same information. What is this particular signal comes, whether it's from GPS, you can see some from network also. If there is no GPS, you can get those information there. There is a what is the current level of battery, what is an operators, service providers, timestamp, source of the information and the port. So I can search all this information on the live up and running in this dashboard, and I can view a detailed summary view. Similarly, in the device who are active up and running, so it typically gives me a flavor of a control command center where I can see the set of devices which are running here. All my devices you can see in the similar window, whether it's my mobile phone, whether it's dumper, whether it's my tipper, loader. So all vehicle type would be registered here with the registration number, all the set with the speed angle. So this is my last position of these devices. So I'm using mobile as a tracker, my vehicle as a tracker. I can have the graphical information with respect to speed satellites on my own graph. There is a graphical engine inbuilt which is also dynamic. The third tab is an alert. So basically I can get an alert, view how many live alerts which are coming in the system with respect to whether somebody has tampered the device, whether the signals are low. So these set of alerts it can define. There is a set of logs I will show you in the reports. We can see what kind of information which comes out from these alerts, what time, data, location, speeds and everything. I can have a summary and the detailed view here. The fourth window which I would see here is like giving me an information about, as of now there are 8 devices which has not been registered in the system. There are 12 devices for which I don't have information. The signals are not coming from X amount of duration. Unallotted vehicles, like the operators not been allotted with these vehicles and the operators vehicles. So unallotted vehicles, devices. So all this information I can get in